Hey creative friends, I am so excited for what we're going to work on today because I have been waiting or procrastinating on this project for ages. I finally ordered UV transfers with some of my art on it to go on some cups. These are going to be gifts, but I'm open to this being a product I sell one day. I'm not sure if it's something I could sell online because I'm really nervous about shipping the glass containers, but markets maybe. I don't know. At the very least, I want to try out this technology or these UV transfers. I'm curious because you don't need any equipment to apply them, like heat press or anything. So let's make these together. I might make a huge mess of this. I don't know. I think there's a bit of a learning curve. So first, let me show you the cups that I have that I bought to use. So I bought these ages ago. So first of all, they come with glass straws. I'm not sure that I love the idea of glass straw versus like metal, but that's what they came with. So we'll just roll with it. I don't even feel like the straw and lid component is necessary. We'll see. So here's what they look like. They're like the beer can style glass cup with a bamboo lid that has like a rubber gasket, so it's pretty secure. It's kind of like for iced coffee. I'm gonna give one to my brother for sure because he's an iced coffee fiend, and it has like a little hole in it with a gasket as well for the um, straw, so it's not supposed to leak. I don't know how leak proof it would really be, but it's very cute, and we are going to be applying some designs of mine to it. So let me show you the designs I got. I have 6 of these cups, by the way. For the UV transfers, this is a company I have not worked with before, and I paid for this. This is not like a sponsored thing. The company is called Ton Atelier. They're in Quebec, made in Canada, so I love that. And this was a very reasonable expense. So this is what arrived, big long tube. I totally thought it was coming in like an envelope. I don't know why I thought that. And this is the sheet that I got. So I have to trim these, but I hopefully measured them correctly. I think I got the size right for how big it'll take to wrap around each of the cups. I ordered more designs than I need because if I like them, I can order more cups, of course. Um, but yeah, so these are just, I'll show you them close up. We're going to work over on my desk with the overhead camera to make these. But there's like this like orange design, my little froggies. I'm like really excited with the frogs. That will be for me. I have some with some Labradors. I think that's going to be my brother. It's like a birdie design, a bunny design. Yeah, I guess that's kind of it. There should be 2 of each, I think. Anyways, I'm really excited. So the idea is that I can trim this to size and just sort of apply it. I guess I'll trim them first because I don't know how I'm supposed to film myself trimming this. It's huge. I'm just going to trim these down and then we'll sit and apply them, see if it works. We can make some mistakes together if necessary, but I feel like it's going to be pretty manageable. That could be famous last words. Let's see how we do together on this. I'm very excited. Here is my first cup, which I believe is okay. I trimmed up all of these little things into smaller pieces. I think I need to cut them more close to size, but we'll pick one to work with. In terms of materials, I grabbed some sheets of felt just to use to hold as like a base so things don't roll around. Maybe that'll work. I watched some videos on how to do this. I've seen some people have like cradles for them and all sorts of precise tools. I don't have that, so we're just gonna do our best. Got my scissors and I have my bone folder. I don't know if this will be helpful for like burnishing to put the design on. I don't know how hard I have to press, but this is what we're going to learn. Fingerprint free, so that looks good. And yeah, which one should I start with? I'm really not sure. Did I size these correctly? Oh, I think that looks pretty good. I wonder if I made these too big or they printed too big, then I can just cut out the individual elements and reposition them. That was kind of the nice idea about like this, where it's like not a continuous image, where I could just cut out one and move it, but I don't really want to have to do that. Let me see if I roll this up. I think the height is good. Yeah, it looks like there will be some overlap. For this particular design, it looks like if I cut off this and then the 2 berries here, that should be the right size. You know what? I wanted to do the birds for myself, so let's work with this one as our like prototype. If we don't do it perfect, that is okay. So what did I say? I'm gonna cut off this and these 2 little shapes because that was sort of causing problems with these tails. And then I can put them back on separately, I believe. I think that's how this works. So let's just kind of carefully cut out that. And maybe I'll cut out this leaf as well just to be really safe. So like now if I put that around, so that should be okay. I'm really scared. I think the best thing to do is just go for it though. So the problem is that when you like touch, from what I've seen, I take the backing off and I apply this, you can't reposition it. So if you make it crooked, it's just gonna be crooked and messed up. You know what? This is my first one. I'm okay if I mess it up. I'm gonna take the whole backing off and then just give it a go. Like I said, this one is just for me. That's okay. Put it on the felt. And yeah, so just bam. How bad could that be, right? How bad could this go? Not that bad, I imagine. So I'm just gonna peel the backing off. Sorry if that's blurry. I only have, my camera only does single focus. And I know it's like a big sticker. You can't really see it. I'm peeling the back off of the front rather than the front off of the back. And now it's coming off cleanly. Here's what I have. Here are my little birdies. I just need to place it. Oh God, I think I already messed it up. There's like a wrinkle in the middle of it. This is just gonna have to be fine. Learning curve. This is a learning curve. This is okay. It's okay to not do things right the first time. That's fine. Okay, it's on. So there's a lot of wrinkles in the middle. I'm reflecting that it would have been better to put the sticker down and place the glass on it. Okay, you know what? That's fine. Learning curve. Look how cute this is gonna be though. Oh my gosh, I love this. So now I know that basically it's like you ever done like Cricut transfers, like the transfer tape? This is basically what that is. So I just need to like push really hard on each of these objects to get them to stick to the glass so that when I pull the tape away, they stay put. And I saw someone who did it and they made a mistake and it like tore the graphic in half. That's mainly what I'm trying to avoid. I don't really care about the placement. I did my best when designing this to get them placed in a good way. I would like them to not tear. This is where I was wondering if like burnishing it with the, this feels kind of dumb. I don't think that's right. I think I'm just gonna use my thumb. So I guess I'm just giving the glass a massage, trying to get all of these stuck down. I can't believe I didn't realize it would be easier to just put this down and then roll the glass across it. You know, sometimes you really do have to just make a mistake first and then the rest of it looks fine. And if this turns out okay, then who cares? All right, I'm gonna just start carefully peeling. Okay, there we go. I'm pulling it flat against the glass. Is better. Okay, progress report. This looks great. And it's like right on the, that looks so pretty. And I'll be able to put those other pieces in there. Like just a little, that won't be difficult at all. Another thought I had was that maybe I should sell just like the plasticky wrap parts, like do the design, get them printed and just sell the wraps. I think some people do that. So like you could, rather than buying the glass from me, you would just like get the glass wherever and then buy the wrap from me and do this application process at home, which I would be able to do like a better tutorial for now that I have as much experience as you've witnessed so far. I think without the long nails on, this would be probably even easier because it's just sort of slowing me down. Oh my God, it's so cute. I'm so happy. This is so adorable. Can't wait to make the others. The little frog one's gonna look so good. So far, here's how we're looking. Pretty. I can't tell if there's an air bubble under that. I don't know. What happens if there's an air bubble under it? Does it work its way out? Yeah, there's definitely a little bit of pocket of air. Okay, noted. Oh my gosh. Okay, we did it. Oh my God, it worked on the first try. That's crazy. Look how good this is. This is so freaking cute. This may not be like new technology for anybody else. Like maybe you've seen this a million times, but for me, this is like brand new and I'm so excited because like, I don't know, I just love printing and product design. So can't believe how cute that is. That air bubble's really annoying. It's very small and it's not to the edge, so I don't really think it's gonna, I think it might just be there forever because I don't think the label's gonna lift, the design's gonna lift to let it out. That's fine, whatever. Let's just fill in the gaps with those. Now I did put my smudgy little fingers all over this. Maybe I'll just wipe it a little bit. Let's just try and cut out these last little pieces just to fill in those gaps. There is a lot of waste plastic from this, so that's kind of something to note. I don't love that. I think this guy would be up here, that little leaf up top. And, oh, I guess it's going there. Okay, not exactly where I wanted it, but that's fine. It's not touching anything else. So just going to press down. Okay, easy as, beautiful. When I was designing these, I actually just took all the elements and put them in Canva and made a canvas that was the size of this whole vessel. So I think it worked out pretty well. I think I would just make it like 1/2 inch narrower so that the overlap wasn't as bad. Okay, amazing. Wow, I am thrilled. This is gonna be such a cute gift. I love this so much. Okay, let's put the lid on. Just so happy. So let's try another one, and let's try doing it where I put the sticker down and then I lay the cup on top. I think that's gonna be a better approach. So yeah, I didn't measure it perfectly. I should have given myself like a bit of more of a margin. That's okay, I didn't know. Okay, that was more painless for sure. Trying not to touch my glass, it's really hard. There, okay, well, what's done is done. Did I roll it or? I'm gonna roll it the whole way. This could be a bad idea, I don't know. Just worried about air bubbles like that other one. Okay, well, that was okay. This is so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Little black labs. Okay, so let's just give it a go, I guess. Just press these all down. Wait. Okay, I made a mistake. There's this underneath. Okay, I did make a mistake. So this dog's probably going to be cut in half. Didn't think that one through. Okay, well, like I said, it wasn't going to be perfect, was I? And I put this one on top of the backing sticker as opposed to on the cup itself. So cool for me to know I did that. Not sure how much of this dog's going to pull off. Yeah, see. His poor little face. Just a butt. Dang. Okay, well, whatever. Yeah, that's really on there. Okay, well, it'll just be it's just a butt. There's not much else to say about it. Otherwise, very cute little puppy cup. Maybe these like smaller ones are the way to go. Because that's dead easy. That's so sad. I can't believe I did that. Well, you know what? It would have been pretty unrealistic if I did it like perfect on all of them the first time. I'm glad I learned that lesson on one where I have doubles and more cups. Okay, so here's the finished result. Don't look at this. And then it's so cute. So that's 2. I'm gonna not film making all of them because that would be kind of tedious. You guys get the process already. I hope you like this though. My review of these little transfers from Ton Atelier, really cute, work really well. And I think these are charming. Again, don't look at that messed up one. These are gonna be great gifts. I was thinking like, aside from glassware, which is obviously cute, you could do it on like plates, maybe not the kind you cut on though. I wouldn't wanna damage them. But any hard surface from what I can tell. So yeah, the front of notebooks would be good. Oh, I have some glass jars that my bunny treats are in. I could do bunnies on those. That would be so cute. Okay, this could be like a fun little thing to sell too, like with my designs. I love this orange design. This is actually based off of illustration in a Art Nouveau era book, and I made a graphic out of it. And my bunnies. The birds and the frogs are definitely ones I would consider selling because those are patterns that I've drawn all the elements for and really love. That would be so cute. Okay. All right, I'll wrap up here. I'll show you kind of maybe a finished result with the drink in it. I don't know, maybe I'll make another tea. Okay, it's actually a couple days later, and I wanted to just talk to you about how they held up. So I finished this one, it's perfect, I love it. But in the video I filmed before, I did say, and hopefully I cut it out because I provided misinformation, which is that these can go in the dishwasher, and they cannot go in the dishwasher. I knew that, but I just had forgotten, I guess. So these little decals don't last in the dishwasher, so it's hand wash only. I checked on the manufacturer's site. But because I had this one that I messed up, I thought, well, I'm just gonna pop it in the dishwasher anyways and just kind of see what happens, just so that I can give more accurate information. So this is the one that I put through the dishwasher. And actually what happened was some of them were fine, but a couple of them did sort of peel off, and it's since hardened. But when I first took it out of the dishwasher and it was steamy and sort of hot, I could have taken this whole decal right off, which I actually did mostly for this one that was cut off that I made the mistake on. There's just two little tails there that kind of hardened before I could get to them. So, and the rest of it actually looks pretty okay. So what this makes me think is that this is actually maybe an unauthorized way to remove them, because you can't really pull these off. They kind of harden on almost like a nail polish. It's kind of had a nail polish smell when it was steamed. It does harden when it's not steamed. So just to do what you will with this information, but I was able to kind of, like, that just popped off. But when it was steamed, I feel like I could have peeled that whole thing off. So for the ones that I kind of have some mess ups on, if I was able to remove them, I could just put in other designs there. Like for this specific one, everything looks fine except this piece, and there's a little bubble in that one I can ignore. And these two little bits. So I would probably just put in some like rabbit, I have some rabbit transfers still, and just fill in the holes to make like a different one. So I just want to tell you that because, yeah, don't put them in the dishwasher unless I guess you are purposely trying to remove them. And I don't know if these leach chemicals into your dishwasher. I wasn't too worried about it. So anyways, that's just some more information. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.